cryptocurrency? Is that something, you're able to do with your fund, you're looking at, not looking at?
Sure. So we haven't invested in cryptocurrency. I've been expanding my knowledge of cryptocurrency because I think it's an interesting sort of phenomenon. So there's really, I would say, two classes of cryptocurrency. There's Bitcoin, which you think of as a pure speculative asset. It's only worth what someone else will buy it from you for. And then there are some cryptocurrencies that are being used to incentivize behavior and build a business model off of that, behavior modification. And there you can actually, it's a very interesting instrument. So I learned about a company basically called Helium. It's actually a cryptocurrency, but their business model is you buy these, hotspots or these wireless access points. You put them up in your home or your place of work, and if people use them, you get paid in this currency. And the incentive, and because the currency is, the return on investment is high, right? If you can, it's motivating people to build out a global wireless network. So apparently there are 35,000 of these Helium hotspots around the globe.
Wow.
Something like 200,000 on back order. And what's motivating that behavior is that you can earn these coins, if you will, by just putting a little hotspot in your house, and you can, the payback period is something like in the several week sort of time frame. And if you want to use these hotspots, like you're a company that wants to access this global, sort of wireless, and I think the design is basically for what they call the Internet of Things, so devices that have chips in them, where they need access to kind of a global wireless network. The companies pay for the access by buying and so to speak burning coins. And so I think crypto is here to stay. It's really interesting in terms of the business opportunities it helps create, although I wouldn't invest in Bitcoin or a currency that's a pure speculative asset. It's another, I think one way to think about it, it's really a business tool that you can use that opens up, where you can create, incentives for commercial behavior and build a business around it. And that to me is pretty interesting. Although to date, we've not invested in any currency.